high skill guys. Today we have press computing skills like this. This is Kilotech model with integrator LE-3K, and they can be different but the same LE-3K. And to calibrate these scales we need to undo these two bolts, and here on the bottom you can see the small button, and you can see that it goes inside and then one more time it goes outside. So we need to be on, like inside, then we turn off the scales by a switch, turn it on, and now we will be in the privilege mode here. Because when I'm doing before I was in privilege mode every time, and I don't saw that it goes inside and outside. So anyway, when we are in the privilege mode, we press print AQ button, and now we can have scale. Okay, we press print AQ as well again. We have units, kgs flashing, then it's flashing here. We press and print AQ button all the time. Then we go to the 0. And now we have 0 here, so we need to put 10 kgs here. This is number of counts, a little bit out. So I put 1, and you can see it shows here. Then I press 0. Then 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then I press print AQ button, and it disappeared. So the calibration is done. Now we press cancel, and we go back, all the way, push, okay, back, and now we're back on the privilege mode. And now we need to push that button, this one, so it will be out like this. And now when you turn it off, turn it on to check it. Everything is good. We out of privilege mode, and now we can use it. And let's just check it. And 10 kgs, that's all. Calibration done. Thanks for watching.